Good morning. Payal Sambuddhi Sudarshan and Sukalya. For regular students, only I have conducted first two experiments for regular students. Okay, but can you tell me what do you want? MPL or digital electronics?
Digital electronics.
Digital electronics. Okay. Okay. What about other students? What is your expectation? Okay, we'll start with the digital electronics and logic design points. Okay, in last session, we have discussed about adjacency of two cells. Okay, so there are possible options to make groups which are adjacent. Okay, so we are grouping cells which are what? Adjacent ones. So adjacent means if there is a one bit change, because we are following the gray code sequence. So what is the gray code? We have seen this 001 and 000. Okay, so if I take these two numbers, then there is a single bit change. So we are following these cells are we are following this rule for making the adjacent ones. Okay, so there are options to group the cells. There are how many options are there? You can see here we have we can take 2 adjacent cell, then 4 adjacent cell, and 8 adjacent cell, and 16 adjacent cell. And if there is a single cell, this you cannot say this is the adjacent. This is called as a isolated cell. Okay, isolated. Isolated means in KMAP, if you cannot make group of this cell, single cell, then this cell is called as a isolated cell. Okay, and if you can make group of 2, 4, 8, 16, 2, 4, 8, 16, see the numbers are specified by the KMAP technique. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 8, 16, right? So you cannot make group of 3 cells, 5 cells, 6 cells, 7 cell, okay? And after 8, we have 9, you cannot make group of 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these are only possible values, okay? 2, 4, 8, 16 to make the groups. Okay, to make the groups. Now, okay, in textbook, they have given the cell number, cell with decimal number, and decimal numbers of the cells forming the groups of adjacent force. Okay, so this is the cell number. Okay, actually this technique they have used from the KMAP specification. Okay, so if cell number 0 is there, that can be adjacent to what? 0 to 2 to 6 to 4. Okay, so these numbers based on your what techniques they have used, because we are using this type of technique A, B, C, D. Okay, and cell numbers we are using 0, 1, 3, 2. Okay, in book they have used what? 0, 1, 3, 2, like this. Okay, so they are using this technique 0, 1, 3, 2 in column. Okay, so that they have identified this adjacent cells. Okay, so please don't refer this, because we are using the new methodology to make the groups in the KMAP. Now here the question is simplify the KMAP. Okay, simplify the KMAP. Now if the question of this type will ask in the examination, at that time you have to make the groups. Okay, simplify that groups and give the or find the simplified equation. Okay, so this KMAP is given here 1, 1, 1, here is a 0, here 0, 0, 1, 0, then 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, now see, we have the cell numbers 0 to 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay, now we have discussed how to make groups. To make groups, you have to find adjacent ones. Okay, so there is a possible options to make the groups of 2 cells, 4 cell, 8 cell and 16 cell. 16 cell means these all cells having value 1, means all term are present, then you can form the group. 8 cells, you can form the group of 8 cells like this. This will be 8 cell grouping. Okay. Otherwise, you can take this group from this part. Okay. Yes. So in this way, you can make group of 8 cells. Then we have 4 cells. It will be like this. You can see the mouse cursor. Okay. Then 2 cells, 2 adjacent cells. Okay. To simplify this, I will make group of these 2. Then these 4 cells. Okay. And these 2 cells. Okay. So as you know, I have covered all ones present in this K-map. All ones present in this K-map. Just I will highlight that ones with different color. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay. So there are 8 main terms are present in what? K-map. Okay. And I have made out groups of 4 cells, 2 cells. Okay. Now what is the equation of this? Equation of this is its row name. This is a row. Okay. Equation of this is a row name. So what is the row name? Here is a row name. C and D. So equation of this group is a CD. Okay. Now what is this? To form the I have formed the group of these 2 adjacent cells. And what is the equation? Now equation is like this. This D having 2 values means this one is a C and D. Okay. For yes, CD. So C is a common value and D will get cancelled because D has 2 values, that is a 0 and 1. So D will get cancelled. Okay. And after that we'll take the column name, that is a bar B bar. So equation for this group is, I will write A bar B bar C. A bar B bar C. And equation for this, again the row names are C and D. Okay. So C is the remaining and D will get cancelled. Okay. And the equation variable for this column is a B bar. Okay. So equation for this group is A B bar C. Okay. Now we are getting final equation. What is that final equation? A bar B bar C plus A B bar C plus CD. Okay. So this is a simplified equation. Again, it's solve it and you can get the simplified equation. Okay. So total main terms are there 8. Okay. And how many variables are there? For 8 main terms, we have 8 fours are 32. 32 variables are there, means 32 gates are required. In short, that is maximum value. Okay. And we are reducing with that K-map with this. So now here B bar you can take common. B bar A bar C plus AC. plus CD. Sorry, A bar C you can take common. A bar C. No. B bar C. B bar C you can take common. Equation B bar C you can take common. B bar C. Here A bar plus A plus CD. Again, A bar plus A is equal to 1. So equation B bar C plus CD. Again, you can take C is common. C B bar plus D. Okay. I will verify that equation with our textbook result. Okay. So the equation they have obtained, that is a B bar C bar. Okay. That is for M0, M1, M8 and 9. M0, M1, M8, 9. See, this is a problem statement and they have total M0, M1, M3, M7, M8, M9, M11, M15. Okay. So what they have taken common, see, not common, they have grouped 0, 1, 8, 9 and 3, 7, 15, 11. Okay, so what is the result of 0, 1, 8, 9? That is a B bar C bar. Okay, and see their equation is B bar C bar plus CD. B bar C bar plus CD. So, and our equation is B bar C plus CD. Okay, B bar C plus CD. Okay, now see the equation of K-map, or you can say simplified equation of K-map, that depends on the grouping which are used in K-map. Okay, are you getting my point? Don't compare our equation or don't verify our equation with the given answer. Okay, so there will be some ambiguity, but depends on grouping you have considered, that equation you will get. Yes, so depends on the equation, you will get the simplified equation. Okay, is there any doubt in this? Can I get reply?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, understood all? Now see grouping of 8 adjacent ones. Already I have taken this example in previous session. Next part is in K-map we are using the don't care condition. Okay, don't care conditions. So don't care condition means you can consider that cell. First of all, I will tell you what is don't care condition. Don't care condition is that suppose you want to make the groups. Okay, if I want to make the group, that time I have to consider number of ones present in the K-map. Okay, and I am making the group of that ones, adjacent ones. Okay, and when I am using one, can you tell me when I am using one? One, I am placing one in K-map for what? I am placing one in K-map for min term and 0 for max term. Please remember these symbols. Okay, 1 is for min term and 0 for max term. Okay, suppose I have a K-map of two variable A and B, A having 0 and 1, two options, B having two options 0 and 1. Okay, so now this is cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 2 and cell number 3. Okay, now suppose this K-map is for max term. Okay, then I have to place here 0. I have to place here 0. Okay, and if suppose that K-map is for min term, K-map is for min term, क्या करना है min term के लिए? बोल सकता का स्टूडेंट्स?
मीन टर्म के लिए 1 डाल दे सर.
For min term, place 1 here. Okay, if the min term is present, then place 1. If min term is not present, okay, okay, not present, then क्या करना है? Min term is not present,
0
0 डालना है. Okay, so see, this 0 is not your max term, right? this 1 is a min term, this 0 is min term is not present. Please consider this thing. Min term is not present. Okay. And for max term में लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? I will draw a new K-map for max term. We have AB 0 1 0 1. ठीक है. Now if the max term present 0 0, okay, and max term is absent, what should I write? This
1.
max term is, yes, this max term is absent. I am writing 1. Okay. So consider this is a K-map for max term. Similarity क्या है? Structure is same. A is there which has two values 0 1. B is there which has two values 0 1. Cell numbers are same. Okay. But whatever inputs we are placing in that K-map, that is a meaningful. It should be meaningful. Okay. So when I want to place 0, it means that max term should be present. If the max term is not present, then you have to place the 1. In the min term, if the min term is present, then write 1. If min term is absent, write 0. Okay. Now we are talking about our don't care condition. So don't care condition is what? Suppose max term is not present. I am talking about min term. Okay. Now suppose I will place here what? Instead of 0, instead of 0, I am placing here 1. Sorry, instead of 0 or 1, I am placing here cross. Now, don't care condition is what? This cross is used for representing don't care condition. Cross is used for representing the don't care condition. All right. So how to represent don't care? By using the cross. Yes. Now, what is the meaning of this cross? This cross can be used equal to 1 or 0. Can be used equal to 1 or 0. Means they are cross having two values. Either you can take 1 or you can take 0. And that depends on your grouping technique. That depends on grouping technique. Now see here, we have don't care in this. And I want to make group of cells, okay, in this given K-map. Okay, what should I have to consider here? What is the value of don't care?
0.
Okay, first option you can consider that is a 0, right? Second option you can consider that is a 1.
1.
Right. So now see, if I consider here 0, where at that don't care. If I consider 0, okay, is this visible? Yellow color is.
Yes.
Okay. If I consider here 0 and I want to make now groups. Okay. So I can make the group of these two cells and these two cells, right? Okay. What is the equation of this cell? Equation of this group. Equation of this group is a row name. Row name is a bar. Okay. Because this group is for these two cells. Then row name is your equation. That is a bar. Then next group I have, that is this group. Okay. What is the equation for group? That is a B bar. Are you getting my point? A bar, B bar. So what is the final equation for given K-map? Final equation of given K-map is A bar plus B bar is equal to your K-map. When when we are considering this 0, right now, when we are considering the don't care value is equal to 0. Okay, now see, we are getting what? Equation A bar plus B bar. Now the next scenario we have, that is a now I have to take don't care is equal to 1. Don't care is equal to 1. I will draw the same K-map. A is here, B is here, 0, 1, 0, 1. Here are already we have 1, and now here is a don't care. Okay. Now I am using the don't care value is equal to 1. Okay. Now tell me what is the equation. I am using the same. What is that? Same group. Equation of this is a what? A bar. Equation of this is a B bar. Okay. Now here I have to consider 1 for don't care. I can make group of these two, right? So equation for this is a B. Okay. Now what is the equation I am getting? A bar plus B bar plus B. Okay. Plus if I make group of these two cells, equation is what?
A.
What is the equation? A.
A.
Okay. Now tell me what is the A bar plus A?
1.
1. Plus B bar plus B?
1.
1. Okay. And 1 plus 1? 1. Right. So this is the small groups I made in this K-map. Right. Now again I am using same K-map. Okay. I will write here. 1, 1, 1, 1. A is here, B is here, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. I can make group of 4 cells. Is that okay? Instead of making the small groups, I am making 4 adjacent cell K-map. Okay. And what is the equation? Equation, if I am covering all the cells, then equation of that K-map is what? 1. All right. समजलं का सर्वांना?
Yes, sir.
हा. आता मला सांगा की if I consider 0 here for don't care, we are getting equation A bar plus B bar. Yes. And if I consider don't care is equal to 1, then I am getting equation Y is equal to 1. So what is exact result? What is the correct result?
A bar plus B bar.
Is that correct? A bar plus B bar. See, what is the purpose of our K-map? K-map is used for simplifying the equation, or you can say that is used for reducing the variables. Reducing means we are reducing actually gates. Okay. Now यहाँ पे देखो y is equal to a bar plus b bar है. Okay. So a bar plus b bar में how many gates are required? Okay. OR gate is required and 2 NOT gates are required. Means 3 gates are required for this equation. Right? Why? But in this case, y is equal to 1. We are getting what? Y equal to 1. No gate is required. Okay. So the correct result, correct answer is y equal to 1. Means you have to take don't care is equal to 1 if you can make the group. If you can make the group. Yes, K-map method purpose is to reduce the equation. आता माझ्याकडे खूप मोठं इक्वेशन आहे, right? See, we are not studying mathematics. We are studying the digital electronics. Okay, because we have to design some different components or circuits. आता आपल्याला एक टीव्ही बनवायची आहे, टीव्हीचं मदरबोर्ड बनवायचं आहे. ओके, तर त्या मदरबोर्ड मध्ये अँड गेट एवढे जर आपण वापरले, ठीक आहे, तर टीव्ही किती मोठा होईल आपला? आर यू गेटिंग अ पॉइंट?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so suppose I want to design the motherboard of television. Okay, that time if I am not simplifying the equations, okay, that circuit will be get complicated. Okay, and if I reduce that, हे केमॅपचं ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आहे असं आहे की यू हॅव टू रिड्यूस व्हॉट व्हेरिएबल्स, बट वी आर गेटिंग व्हॉट प्रॉपर आउटपुट. आता इथं कोणी सांगितलं आन्सर y इज इक्वल टू a बार प्लस b बार बरोबर आहे? हे लक्षात घ्या, हे y इज इक्वल टू a बार प्लस b बार हे आन्सर चुकीचं आहे असं माझं म्हणणं नाहीये. दॅट इज द करेक्ट वन. But if I consider here 1, I am getting what? Y equal to 1. Only high output I will get if I make group of all cells. Okay. So it means that we are reducing what? Variables. We are reducing the equation. So objective of K-map technique, that is reduce the variable. Now see, here don't care condition. Take example of this K-map. 1, 1, don't care 1. Now this is a given K-map, and what is the equation for this? Equation for this is its row name, that is a C bar D. Is that correct? Next, 1, 1, don't care. If I have two don't cares in a single column or single row, you can make this group, okay, and find the respective equation. So equation is C D bar. C is here and 0 is a D bar. Okay, so what is the final equation? It will be C bar D plus C D bar, and C bar D plus C D bar is equal to C XOR D. Okay, that is the formula. Now suppose if I have all don't care conditions in a single column. Okay, what is the equation for that column? It will be AB. बरोबर आहे का? एकाच कॉलम मध्ये एकाच कॉलम मध्ये सगळे काय आहेत? डोंट केअर आहेत. त्याचे आपण ग्रुप बनवायचे का?
Yes, sir.
नाही सर.
नाही बनवायचे.
नाही सर, नाही.
का बनवायचे नाहीत? आता माझं इक्वेशन आलेलं आहे, माझे जिथे 1 आहेत त्याचे मी ग्रुप कशाचे बनवतोय? बंच ग्रुप बनवतो. आय एम नॉट मेकिंग ग्रुप्स ऑफ ओनली डोंट केअर and only zeros. So I am trying to make the group of only ones. Okay, so here is 1, 1, don't care is here and 1 is here. Suppose इथं जर 0 असेल, ओके, सर याचा आपण ग्रुप बनवू शकत नाही, कारण वी आर नॉट गेटिंग कंटिन्युअस वन्स और यू कॅन से ऍडजस्टंट वन्स. ओके, आता आपल्याकडे काय आहे? इथं डोंट केअर आहे, इथं आपल्याकडे डोंट केअर आहे, राईट? आता जो हा डोंट केअर आहे, आय एम युझिंग दॅट डोंट केअर इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, इफ आय हॅव ऑल वन्स इन सिंगल रो or single column, then I can form the group. ओके, मे बी असं असेल, हे झालं, हे समजलं तुम्हाला? इथे 1 आहे म्हणून आपण ग्रुप बनवू शकतो. म्हणजे इफ आय कन्सिडर डोंट केअर इज इक्वल टू 1, देन ओनली वी कॅन मेक द ग्रुप ऑफ दीज 4 सेल्स. ओके, आता ह्या केसमध्ये चेक करा. ह्या केसमध्ये काय झालेलं आहे? 1, 1, डोंट केअर. मी असं सुद्धा ग्रुप बनवू शकलो असतो विदाउट कन्सिडरिंग व्हॉट डोंट केअर. ओके, याचा आन्सर काय येतं? ह्या ग्रुपचे इक्वेशन काय येतं? सी डी बार
Bar.
अँड बी बार बी कॅन्सल होईल. सी डी बार ए सी डी बार, बरोबर आहे ना? ए सी डी बार दॅट इज इक्वेशन फॉर दिस ग्रुप ऑफ टू ऍडजसंट सेल्स. आता माझ्याकडे येते काय आहे? आय हॅव टू डोंट केअर. कन्सिडर करायला हवेत का नको? येस, कॅन आय कन्सिडर दिस टू डोंट केअर कंडिशन? अरे बोला, तुमच्याशी बोलतो मी.
येस सर.
करायला हवेत ना?
हो.
एक सेकंड ना, जस्ट वेट फॉर अ 1 minute. You have to see possible grouping. If I have here don't care, then I can make group of these 4 cells. Okay, and the equation for this group is CD bar. Okay, so if I make group of these 2 cells, I am getting equation ACD bar. म्हणजे आपलं इक्वेशन कसं चेंज झालं असतं? हे जे आहे हा ग्रुप, फॉर दिस ग्रुप आय हॅव इक्वेशन सी बार डी. अँड जर मी असं केलं असतं, if I make group of these 2 cells, then equation is ACD bar. Okay, so equation of that K-map is a C bar D plus ACD bar. ACD bar. And if I consider these 4 adjacent cells, Y is equal to C bar D plus CD bar. Okay, now tell me which is a simplified equation out of these 2. This is the first equation and this is second equation. Which is simplified?
Second.
Second equation is the simplified equation. Okay, so as per the situation, as per you can say technique you are going to apply, that should be having simplified equation. मी काही स्टुडंट्स असे करणार आहेत कसे, okay, काही students, someone can make group of these 2 cells and find the equation and they can get the answer this, and some student will use don't care conditions to form the group. Okay, now see again here is a
Sir.
benefit, that is a yes
Sir.
yes
सर यहाँ पे ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड करना पड़ेगा क्या? जैसे यहाँ पे डोंट केयर पे 1 डाल के पहले करके फिर 0 का सेकंड ऑप्शन.
क्या करना पड़ेगा? ट्रायल एरर.
हाँ सर, पहले जैसे कि अभी आपने बोला कि डोंट केयर में 1 डालो, तो 1 डाल के हमने इक्वेशन निकाला, फिर 0 डाल के भी इक्वेशन निकालना पड़ेगा क्या सर?
नहीं, एक्चुअली डोंट यूज 0 हियर. Actually इफ आई एम यूजिंग द मेन टर्म, इसलिए मैंने पहले बोला था कि मेन टर्म यूज करना है, यू हैव टू ऑलवेज कंसीडर डोंट केयर इज इक्वल टू 1। मतलब
यस सर।
मुझे मेन टर्म पहले मुझे ये पता होना चाहिए कि एबीसीडी जो के मैप दिया है ना, उसका मिन टर्म में दिया है कि मैक्सिमम में दिया है। ओके, सो मिन टर्म में दिया है, मतलब आपको क्या कंसीडर करना है, डोंट केयर इज इक्वल टू 1 कंसीडर करना है। एंड मैक्स टर्म में
सर
दिया
वो
है
कैसे
दैट
पता
इज
करेंगे?
वो
सर वो
इक्वेशन में दिया।
हाँ।
हाँ, इक्वेशन में दिया रहता है, मैं बताता हूँ, रुको। अभी यहाँ पे देखो एग्जांपल में। ओके, शुड आई इरेज ऑल दिस
हाँ सर।
थिंग्स?
यस सर।
सी, इन अभी इक्वेशन जो है दैट इज नथिंग बट योर एफ एबीसीडी। एफ एबीसीडी मीन्स फंक्शन एबीसीडी। एबीसीडी फोर वेरिएबल्स आर देयर इन व्हाट के मैप। ओके, समेशन स्मॉल एम का मीनिंग है दैट इज अ मिन टर्म। ओके, कौन से
यस।
मिन टर्म प्रेजेंट है? 1 3
वन
7
3
11 15। ओके, 1 3 7 11
7
15
11 15।
plus this is the d in bracket 0 to 5. Okay, c, d is a don't care condition. ये सारे गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, डी इज अ डोंट केयर कंडीशन। मतलब मुझे यहां से क्या पता चल रहा है कि इन गिवन फंक्शन मिन टर्म्स प्रेजेंट कौन से है? 1 3 7 11 15 एंड 0 to 5, these are don't care condition. Now it means that this is a four variable k map. Is that right? फोर वेरिएबल के मैप, फोर वेरिएबल के मैप करना है तो क्या करेंगे हम? वी हैव फोर वेरिएबल्स, टू वेरिएबल्स इज एट राइट साइड एंड थ्री वेरिएबल्स इज एट, सॉरी, टू वेरिएबल्स इज एट right means, sorry, left means row side and column side. Okay, so I'll draw the k map of this. Okay, so here I am writing 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay, here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Right, now I have to give numbers. Okay, 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8, sorry, 8 is here, 8 9 11 10. Here is a 12 13 15 and 14. ऑलराइट, अभी हमने क्या किया? सेल नंबर्स प्लेस किए, सेल नंबर्स। ओके, अभी मुझे क्या करना है? आई हैव टू प्लेस वन इफ द मिन टर्म इज प्रेजेंट। ओके, आई हैव टू प्लेस वन इफ मिन टर्म इज प्रेजेंट। ओके, नाउ टेल मी, जीरो मिन टर्म इज प्रेजेंट इन गिवन इक्वेशन?
नहीं।
No, I will write 0 here. Then one min term is present, S.
यस
I will write 1. 2, 3 present, S. 2 present, no. 7 present,
सर। टू डोंट केयर।
S. Okay, so 2 is a don't care. Yes, 2 is a don't care. Then
जीरो ऑल्सो डोंट केयर।
7 is a present min term, right? Then we have 11 is a present. 11, where is the 11? Yes, this one is the 11 and 15 is 1. Okay, now I will mark what? Don't care. 0 is a don't care. Zero is a don't care. 2 is a don't care and 5 is a don't care. यस, मेरे इक्वेशन में मिन टर्म है, कैसे पता चला? बिकॉज आई हैव इक्वेशन विथ summation small m. Okay, here for max term there is a pi capital M. Okay, and see here there is a addition and this is a multiplication, because why here addition is used? It is a sum of what? Product, SOP, and this is a POS, product of sum. Yes, now I want to make group of these cells. अभी बताओ ग्रुप कैसे करेंगे? समृद्धि, विशाल,
सर वो 1 1 का पूरा लेंगे क्वाड्रे 4 वर्टिकली।
वर्टिकली, ठीक है, वर्टिकली we will take this column. Okay, what is the equation for this group?
It will be CD।
CD.
CD. Okay, next,
फिर वो सर 0 1 1 1 का वो 4 का क्वाड्रेट बनाएंगे।
now see the first row में डोंट केयर है, 2 डोंट केयर है ना,
हाँ सर।
इधर एक डोंट केयर है, इधर एक डोंट केयर है, और इसके बेस में 1 1 है, तो कैन आई मेक ग्रुप ऑफ these 4 cells?
यस यस।
Yes, sir.
Okay,
ए बार
what
बी
is the
बार,
equation?
ए बार बी बार।
A bar B bar. Okay, now here is a don't care, right? So I can make group of these 4 adjacent cells. हाँ, इसका आंसर क्या आएगा?
ए बार डी, ए बार
अभी
डी।
for these 4 cells I have to take what? This B bar will get cancelled, right? Remaining is a
ए बार।
A bar, and for these 2 columns
A bar CD.
C will get cancelled
यस डी
and
बार
D is
डी।
remaining.
यस
Okay, so equation for this is the
ए बार डी।
A bar D. Okay, now I will write the equation. We have A bar B bar plus A bar D plus CD. ठीक है, कॉमन कुछ निकलता है क्या इसमें से? A bar B bar plus D plus CD. Yes, A bar into B bar plus D plus CD. This is our simplified equation. I will use word simplified because you cannot further simplify this. Right? Are you getting my point?
यस सर।
All students, please reply. समझ लगा सर्वांना?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So,
Don't care conditions. Don't care condition. You got don't care condition. What is that?
यस सर।
Exam मध्ये in examination of your SPPU theory as well as online, they always ask the question to simplify the equation and with the don't care. म्हणजे हे जे तुम्हाला, एक सेकंड, I will erase all these things. असे इक्वेशन्स तुम्हाला दिले जातात एक्झाम मध्ये. ओके, and you have to find what? Simplified equation.
सिम्प्लिफाइड इक्वेशन।
Okay, also they can give max term, म्हणजे पेपर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड काढायचे त्यांना तर मॅक्स टर्म पण देऊ शकतात. समजलं का? आता मॅक्स
Yes,
टर्म
sir.
साठी एक्झाम्पल इथं ऑलरेडी दिलेलं आहे, चेक करा. ABCD 4 variables are there. Pi M, capital M, 4 5 6 7 8 12. Check. check that 5 4. Actually the number is different, cell numbers 0. Okay, 0 1 3 2 vertically करना है. 4 5 7 6 8 is there, 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 14. ठीक है. Now check 4 5 6 7 and 8 12. See 4 5 6 7 में क्या किया है? Okay, I will write the numbers. 4 5 6 7 11 10, right now 11 10 11. 8 8 12 no, sorry, 8 12. Right. 4 5 6 7, this is cell number 8 and 12. Okay, अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं? मैक्स टर्म के लिए कर रहे हैं, राइट? डोंट केयर कंडीशन देखते हैं इसकी क्या है. डोंट केयर कंडीशन सेल नंबर्स 1 2 3 9 11 14. 1 2 3 9 11 14. अभी देखो यहाँ पे क्या किए हैं. इफ द मैक्स टर्म इज प्रेजेंट, मैक्सिमम प्रेजेंट है, वहां पे 0 प्लेस किया है. 5 6 7 8 is here and 12 is here. Don't care conditions 1 2 3 9 11 14. So where is 1? Don't care condition. 2 is here, 3 is here, 9 is here and 11 is here and 14 is here. आहे का बरोबर? ठीक आहे. आता आपल्याला ग्रुप बनवायचा आहे. So to make group of what? Max term, I can prefer this because it is in a single column. What is the equation? ऐसा इक्वेशन क्या है तो?
A बार A प्लस B बार.
Yes, A plus B bar. A plus B bar. Now what is the equation for this? C plus D.
A bar plus C plus D.
And this will get cancelled. Okay. B and B bar cancelled. Remaining is a A bar. A bar plus C plus D. Equation is that right? A bar plus C plus D. Okay, I will check that. What is that A bar? Okay, how they have taken that. Okay, is there any doubt? क्या
No,
करने
sir.
देखो, मैक्स टर्म है. Yes. max term you have to place 0, make the group of zeros and find the group equation. Okay, if you want, or if you want to consider the don't care condition, so you can also make group with the help of don't care condition. Okay, just I will take a 5 minute break. At 10:35, I will be come back. Okay, just I will take the 5 minutes break. Don't leave the meeting. Yes. Are you there? Samruddhi, Vishal,
Yes, sir.
Payal,
Yes, sir.
प्राजक्ता, प्रेरणा. तुम्ही आहे का सर्व तिथे?
Yes, sir.
प्रेरणा
Yes, sir.
आहे, प्राजक्ता आहे, पायल,
Yes, sir.
सुकन्या.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. We will continue with design examples. So in starting of this chapter, we have seen there are two types of circuits. Digital circuit is classified into two types. What are those? सांगा ना पटकन.
Combinational and sequential.
Right, combinational and sequential. Okay, combinational, what is that? Output depends on present input. That is combinational circuit. I have also given example of AND gate. In AND gate, we have two inputs. One output is there. Output of AND gate depend on present input. Are you agree with this? Output of AND gate depends on present input. So AND gate is the example of your combinational circuit. Okay. And what is sequential circuit? Output depends on present input and what? Past inputs. Past means previous inputs. Okay. So this is the just classification of your digital circuit. Now we are designing combinational circuit example, design example, combinational circuit design example. Now we have arithmetic circuit. In arithmetic circuit, we have to design the half adder. Half adder म्हणजे काय असतं? Is anybody? What is half adder? Half adder is circuit used for addition of two one-bit numbers. Addition of two one-bit. Okay. So this is the first number. I will write first. This is second number. Okay. Both are binary numbers. Please remember, both are binary numbers. So if I design the circuit for addition of these two numbers with size 1 bit, number size is equal to 1 bit. Suppose I have 1111, this number. What is the size of this number? That is a 4 bit, right? So we are going to design a logic circuit for two 1 bit numbers, addition of two 1 bit numbers. Okay. And this design circuit is called as a half adder. Okay. Now we have see this is the first or front wheel and rear wheel. Okay. Okay. What is this? Yes, half adder. We will design half adder. How to design half adder? Now see addition. Okay, for addition we have two outputs that are sum and carry. Okay, and we have two inputs A and B. I will write here A and B, two outputs. We have sum and carry output. Okay. Now suppose A value is equal to 0 plus 0. If I do the addition of two numbers, what is the result? Addition is 0. Carry generated, carry is also 0. Okay, so I'll write here, this is a sum, this is a carry. When I add 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, sum 0, carry 0. Next, 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry 0. Next, 1 plus 0, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0,
Carry 1.
carry 1, right? Sum 0, carry 1. Okay, अभी मुझे क्या करना है, I have to put this in a table. In short, right? A 0 plus 0, sum 0, carry 0. 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Okay, so when should I get carry is equal to 1? If I do addition of two 1-bit numbers or two ones. Okay, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Okay, अभी मुझे क्या करना है, I have to put this in a table. टेबल में किया है 0 0, sum 0, carry 0. 0 1, sum 1, carry 0. 1 0, sum 1, carry 0. 1 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay, this is a input of your half adder. Now see, we don't have number. यहाँ पे a is equal to 0 1 हो गया. Okay, so this is not used for half adder because it contains more than 1 bit and we are designing the 1 bit circuit. Okay, so a plus b 0 1 0. Now a value is a 0 1 0, b value is a 0 1 0. What is the addition? 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 0 plus 0 0 and 0 plus 1 1. Result is 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, but this is not half adder. HA means half adder. Okay, now how to design. अभी मुझे क्या करना है, ट्रूथ टेबल मुझे मिल गया. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज मुझे करना है from the truth table we obtain the logical expressions for sum and carry. Okay, sum and carry. So see, I will take sum column because sum is output and carry is output, right? So sum is equal to what? When we are getting 1 in sum, if a bar b, then we will get 1. I will write here a bar b. और कब मिलता है मुझे 1? a b bar. Yes, I am getting 1 in sum column. S is a sum column. Okay, when we are getting 1 here, when a bar b, then I am getting 1. Second, a b bar, then also I am getting 1. So I have written the equation a bar b plus a b bar for sum, and it is equivalent to, we have predefined formula, a bar b plus a b bar is equal to what? A XOR b. Yes, now we have to write the formula for carry. We carry का formula क्या है? Sorry, carry का equation, not formula. If both inputs are if both inputs are 1, then carry is equal to 1. So we can write carry equal to a and b. This is the formula for half adder. अभी मुझे इक्वेशन मिल गया, उसके बाद मुझे क्या करना है, आई हैव टू ड्रॉ द सर्किट डायग्राम. circuit diagram I have to draw for what? Sum and carry for half adder. Now A input is here. B A bar, B bar. I will draw these lines for the circuit diagram. तो मुझे क्या करना है? For sum I can use A XOR B. Carry is equal to A and B. This is a circuit diagram. This diagram is called as a circuit diagram. Okay, is there any doubt in this half adder, designing half adder?
सर
Yes.
ए बार बी आहे ना तिथं सर तुम्ही दोन्हीला पण एक
A bar B.
सर्किट डायग्राम मध्ये दोन्हीला पण एक ए बार आहे ना ते सर्किट डायग्राम
नाही आता इथं काय घेतलं मी? एक्स वर बी जे आहे ना, एक्स वर बी हा एक्स वर गेट आहे, हे एंड गेट आहे. दिस विल जनरेट सम and this will generate carry. आता काय डाऊट आहे? XOR gate is used. Sudarshan,
येस सर
is there any doubt in this?
नो सर
Understood? काय प्रॉब्लेम काय सांग मला?
सर मला वाटलं ते आपण इक्वेशन घेतलं नव्हतं का ए बार बी प्लस ए बी बार
हे इक्वेशन ना?
हा सर मग मला वाटलं ते त्याच्यानुसार सर्किट डायग्राम ड्रॉ केलं
हा त्याच्यानुसार पण करता येते आपल्याला. हे बघ काय करायचं इथं, त्याच्यानुसार करायचं असेल तर हे सगळं असं इरेज करायचं. ठीक आहे. आता इक्वेशन मध्ये काय दिलंय ऍक्च्युली, हे इक्वेशन ए बार एंड बी, ओके, और ए बी बार. हे that is sum and carry is equal to A and B. Now see, this is the half adder circuit diagram. Okay, all right. समजलं का सर्वांना? Next is full adder. What is full adder? बर स्टुडंट्स बोला तुम्ही आता, कुठे शांत झाला एकदम. फुल ऍडर, समृद्धी, फुल ऍडर काय असतं?
Sir, it has 3 inputs and 2 output.
Yes, it has 3 inputs A, B and C and 2 outputs sum and carry, right? I will use my
Yes,
method.
sir.
Okay. We have 3 inputs ABC, and two outputs sum and carry. Okay. In C column, write 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. B column 00 11 00 11. 4 times 0 and 4 times 1. Okay. I will make the groups. Yes. Actually, sum 0 plus 0 plus 0. It will be like this: 0 plus 0 plus 0. Sum 0 carry 0. I will write here sum 0 carry 0. Next, 0 plus 0 plus 1 here. Sum is 1 carry 0. Sum 1 carry 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0. Sum 1 carry 0. Sum 1 carry 0. 0 plus 1 plus 1. So addition will be like this: A plus B. 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is what? 0. And
Carry
carry 1.
1.
Okay. So sum is a 0 here and carry is a 1. Yes. Next, 1 plus 0 plus 0. Sum 0.
नाही sum 1 carry 0.
Sum 1 carry 0. Sum 1 carry 0. Then next, 1
Sum
plus
0
0
carry.
plus 1. Sum 1
नाही
or 0.
sum 0
Nice.
Sum,
carry 1.
sum 0 carry 1.
हाँ.
Next,
Sum 0 carry 1.
sum 0 carry 1. Next,
Sum 1 and 1.
1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. 1 plus 1, what is that? Sum
0.
0 carry 1. फक्त या दोन्हीचं चेक करा. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. Okay. Now add this 0 to this 1. Carry is here. 0 plus 1 1. Now sum is 1 and carry is 1. Is that right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about other? Understood? 1 plus 1, we are getting answer sum 0 carry 1. अभी मैंने carry यहाँ पे लिखा है, right? Now 0 plus 1, that is 1. So carry 1, sum 1. Carry 1 and sum 1. So this is the truth table of your full adder. 3 inputs and 2 outputs. अभी क्या करना है मुझे? To find the equation for sum and carry. Equation for sum and carry. Truth table is given. Now find the K-map for sum and carry. Okay. K-map for sum. Okay, we have three variable K-map now. A is here, BC is here, 8 cells are there. Okay, A0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0. What is the value for sum? Sum is 0. Okay, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. That is a 1. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That is a 0. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. That is a 0. And 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now equation group करू शकतो का? Can I make group in this?
No, sir.
No. So directly I have to write what equation? Sum equal to, what is the equation for this? A bar B bar C. A bar B bar C plus this A bar
A
B C bar
C bar
plus A B bar C bar plus A B C. Okay. So can I take any common element?
From first to A bar common and second A common.
First two A bar common,
A bar
B bar C plus BC bar plus second two में क्या
A
करना
common.
है?
A common.
You can take common B bar C bar plus BC. Okay. Now see, equation for this is अभी ये क्या है? That is a simplified equation for B XOR C. You can write B XOR C, B bar C plus BC bar. Okay. So instead of this, you can write A bar in bracket B XOR C. Okay. Plus A BC bar plus B bar C. Now you can use this equation like this. B bar C bar plus BC is equivalent to B X NOR C. B X NOR C. So I can write here A B X NOR C. Okay. Now again I will consider this B XOR C is equal to X. Okay. Now this is the X bar. I will write this equation here. A bar X plus AX bar. AX bar. Now again this equation is a this is simplification of what? Can you tell me?
A X or plus
A XOR X. Right now?
yes,
This
sir.
simplification of A XOR X. So instead of that, I will write A XOR X. Now what is the value of X? Value of X
B
is
X or C. B X
B
or C.
XOR, right, B XOR C. Okay. Now further we cannot simplify this. Okay, A XOR B XOR C. This is the equation of your sum. Okay, sum equal to A XOR B XOR C. We will
Sir,
check that. Yes.
सर बी एक्स और बी एक तरफ बाहर है और एक तरफ बिना विदाउट बाहर है ना सर?
हाँ, तो मैंने यहाँ पे किया ना अभी, यहाँ पे क्या है? दिस इज एक्स बार है, राइट?
हाँ
दिस इज एक्स
हाँ,
बार.
समझ गया सर, समझ गया सर, समझ गया.
हाँ, इधर है एक्स. तो मैंने क्या किया है, यहाँ पे इक्वेशन लिखा, इट इज ए बार एक्स प्लस ए एक्स बार। समझ गया?
हाँ सर।
तो फाइनल इक्वेशन फॉर सम दैट इज एक्स और एक्स और सी। अभी देखते हैं हमारा इक्वेशन करेक्ट है क्या। ठीक है, विल डू वन थिंग। पहले काम करेंगे, विल फाइंड द इक्वेशन फॉर कैरी। अभी सम का हो गया ना, अभी कैरी का करते हैं। कैरी का कैसे करेंगे? अगेन हैव टू टेक व्हाट, के मैप।
के मैप।
I will erase this. A, B, C, 8 वेरिएबल के मैप, सॉरी 8 सेल के मैप, 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0। ठीक है, कैरी I will write here cell numbers 0 1 2 3। 3 में 1 आएगा, so where is we are getting 3, 3 is here। Sorry, 3 is not here। Zero one one, that is 3, so 3 is here, I will write here 1, then
101.
1 1 0 1 1 0 1 is here, right? 1 1 1 0, that is here 1 and triple 1। ठीक है, now other cells are 0। I'm not writing here other cells। now we'll make group of these cells। okay, I can make group of these two cells। equation is BC, then I will make group of these two cells। equation is A, B, C will be eliminated, and the next group I can make, that is a this group, that is a B will be eliminated and C is remaining, AC। okay, equation is carry is equal to AC plus BC plus AB। okay, कॉमन कुछ निकाल सकते क्या? I think no common is there। okay, so this is a carry equation। okay, is there a doubt in this?
नो सर।
just I have to verify our equation is correct or not, just wait। full adder, Okay, drop your roll numbers in chat box. I will check that. Where should I get that equation? Okay, is there any doubt in today's session?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. See, can you see? See, series string sum is equal to x or b x or c. Okay, same
Yes,
truth
sir.
table is there. Okay, so first one is correct. Next, what about carry? See the carries equation. This one is the carries equation. AB plus BC plus CA. Check करो अभी AC plus BC plus AB. Okay, all right. So both equation are verified and our design is correct. Okay, please write it down in notebook. Next time we'll draw the, or you can take as a homework, draw the circuit diagram for the full adder. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here. Drop your roll numbers. And you can leave the meeting, join another meeting at 11:15. Samruddhi, Sudarshan, leave your meeting. Leave
सर
meeting.
एक डाऊट होता
हा बोल.
ते नाही का आता आमची एक्झाम्स म्हणजे आता इनसेम वगैरे आमचं काही झालं नाहीये ना मग आम्हाला टर्म कशावरती भेटेल